tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for anyone in the custom apparel business or looking to take their printing capabilities to the next level. I'm super excited to introduce you to the DXZ 2026-14, a 3 DTF printer equipped with the F1080 Printhead, which promises not just high-quality prints, but also unprecedented speed and efficiency. This machine is designed to revolutionize how you produce custom garments, gifts, and promotional products, making it an absolute must-have for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and hobbyists alike. Let's dive right into one of its most impressive features: precision printing with the F1080 Printhead. The DXZ U14 boasts a high-performance F1080 single printhead that delivers ultra-sharp, vibrant designs at an astonishing 2880 by 1440 dpi. What this means for you is professional, eye-catching results on every t-shirt and garment, without the long wait times typically associated with high-resolution printing. With the ability to print at speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, this machine combines fast output with crisp details, equating to a higher daily throughput for your business. Imagine being able to produce more custom apparel in less time, meeting deadlines with ease, and having the potential to take on more clients or projects. This level of efficiency and quality can be a real turning point for your business, setting you apart from the competition and helping you grow your customer base. Another feature that really caught my attention is the vacation-proof auto maintenance. We've all been there, coming back from a weekend or a longer vacation, only to find out that our printer's printhead has clogged due to inactivity. The DXZ Holiday Mode is designed to give you peace of mind, automatically performing printhead moisturizing, nozzle cleaning, and whitening circulation while the printer is idle. Whether you're stepping away for a couple of days or an extended period, you can do so without worrying about the state of your printer. This not only saves you the hassle of manual maintenance and potential repairs, but also prolongs the lifespan of your printer, ensuring it remains in top condition and ready to print as soon as you need it. The true 14-foot print width is another standout feature of the DXZ 2026. Unlike 13-foot printers that limit your output, the Ultra 14 delivers a genuine 14 printing width, allowing you to print transfers for kids wear, adult plus sizes, hoodies, and bags without the need for splicing or outsourcing. This means you can scale your custom t-shirt business instantly, taking on larger and more complex projects with ease. The ability to handle a wide range of sizes and materials in a single machine is incredibly valuable, saving you time, reducing costs, and expanding your product offerings. Whether you're looking to cater to a broader audience or simply want the flexibility to create whatever you imagine, the DXZ 2026 has got you covered. The DXZ 2026 also shines with its one-click print-to-bake and 24/7 auto-maintenance capabilities. The advanced automated system includes built-in moisturizing, scheduled cleaning, and auto-upkeep, reducing downtime, prolonging printhead life, and making maintenance virtually stress-free and fully automated. This level of automation is a dream come true for busy entrepreneurs and businesses, ensuring that your printer is always ready to go, minimizing the risk of errors, and optimizing your workflow. Plus, with the included 2-year ink, you can enjoy uninterrupted printing without worrying about running out of supplies. Lastly, the multi-fabric compatibility of the DXZ 2026 is a huge plus, allowing you to print flawlessly on cotton, polyester, blends, and other fabrics. This versatility is perfect for creating custom apparel, promotional products, and personalized gifts, maintaining vivid, true-to-life colors on every material. Whether you're catering to diverse client needs or exploring different product lines, the ability to work with a wide range of fabrics opens up endless possibilities for creativity and business growth. In conclusion, the DXZ 2026 14-foot A3 DTF printer with F1080 Printhead is an absolute powerhouse, designed to elevate your printing experience and propel your business forward. With its precision printing, vacation-proof auto maintenance, true 14-foot print width, one-click print-to-bake, and multi-fabric compatibility, this machine is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to produce high-quality custom garments and products efficiently. If you're as impressed as I am, be sure to find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on the DXZ 2026. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your business and unlock your full creative potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.